It's the year 2025, and technology is evolving faster than ever. New frameworks appear every month, but only a few truly stand the test of time. So why is .NET still one of the smartest technologies to learn this year? Stay with me, because in this video, we'll explore 10 powerful reasons why learning .NET in 2025 can future-proof your tech career. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what .NET actually is. In simple terms, .NET is a software development platform created by Microsoft. It allows developers to build all kinds of applications, from websites, desktop apps, and cloud services, to mobile and even game development. The first reason to learn .NET in 2025 is its versatility. Unlike many frameworks that specialize in one area, .NET is designed to handle almost anything. You can build web applications with ASP.NET Core, desktop apps with Windows Forms or WPF, mobile apps using .NET MAUI, and even games with Unity, all using the same ecosystem. This means one skill set opens doors to multiple development paths, saving you time and making you adaptable across industries. Moving on to reason number 2, cross-platform development. With .NET Core and now .NET 8, you can build and run your applications on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You no longer need separate tools or languages for each platform. This cross-platform ability is incredibly valuable for companies aiming to deliver software to a global audience. As a developer, you'll be equipped to create solutions that work anywhere, not just on one operating system. Reason number 3 is career demand. Even after 2 decades, .NET developers continue to be in high demand across the world. From startups to large enterprises, organizations rely on .NET for building secure, scalable, and maintainable systems. In 2025, many enterprise systems, financial applications, and even government platforms are still powered by .NET, meaning a steady stream of opportunities for skilled professionals. Next, reason number 4, enterprise trust and adoption. Large organizations value technologies that are stable, well-supported, and future-proof. That's why .NET has become the backbone of enterprise applications for decades. Companies like banks, hospitals, and global corporations rely on .NET for critical systems where reliability is non-negotiable. Learning .NET means you're aligning yourself with what businesses already trust and continue to invest in. Reason number 5 is .NET is backed by Microsoft. That alone brings an incredible level of reliability and long-term support. Microsoft consistently updates .NET with new versions, tools, and security enhancements. With .NET 8 already released and .NET 9 on the roadmap, Microsoft continues to make the platform faster, secure, and easier to use. When you learn .NET, you're not learning a trend. You're learning a technology with corporate strength and global support behind it. Reason number 6 is modern evolution. .NET has transformed from the old .NET Framework days into a sleek, high-performance, and open-source platform. Features like minimal APIs, C#12 enhancements, and performance improvements make modern .NET both developer-friendly and extremely efficient. The framework continues to evolve, ensuring that developers have access to cutting-edge technology while maintaining backward compatibility. Reason number 7 is integration with cloud and artificial intelligence. In 2025, cloud computing and AI are at the heart of modern software solutions. .NET integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Azure, allowing developers to easily deploy scalable cloud applications, use cognitive services, and integrate AI models. This means learning .NET isn't just about traditional software development. It positions you at the intersection of AI, cloud, and data-driven innovation. Moving on to reason 8, the rich ecosystem. .NET comes with a massive library of pre-built components and frameworks that handle everything from authentication and logging to data access and networking. This reduces repetitive work, speeds up development, and helps developers focus on solving real business problems rather than reinventing the wheel. Plus, with NuGet, the .NET Package Manager, you gain access to thousands of open-source tools ready to plug into your project. Reason number 9, community and open source. Modern .NET is fully open source, hosted on GitHub, and supported by a large, active developer community. That means you'll find documentation, tutorials, and forums filled with experts willing to help. If you ever face a problem, chances are someone in the .NET community has already solved it. This strong collaborative environment ensures that you're never alone while learning or building. And finally, reason number 10, long-term career stability. Learning .NET gives you a future-proof foundation. Because it's widely adopted, constantly evolving, and used across industries, .NET developers enjoy both career flexibility and security. As new technologies emerge, like AI integration, cloud automation, and IoT, .NET continues to adapt, keeping your skills relevant and in demand for years to come. So let's summarize. In 2025, .NET stands out for its versatility, cross-platform capabilities, enterprise reliability, and continuous innovation. It's a technology built for the present and ready for the future. If you're looking to invest your time in something stable, powerful, and respected in the software industry, then learning .NET in 2025 is one of the smartest choices you can make. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear, concept-based tech discussions. No coding, just deep understanding. And tell me in the comments, are you planning to learn .NET this year? I'd love to hear your thoughts.